you definitely want to consider this one because it is a mute nasal dilator designed for snore reduction and to improve airflow. And the way that it works is very simple. So once you take this out of the box, and this does come in a package that has multiple of these devices, you just put one into your nose, and the way that it's designed is it separates the nasal passage and allows for more air to come in, because when people are snoring, usually what causes that is a narrowing of the nasal passage. And this comes in small, medium, or large, so you can find the right size